Welcome back to Everyday English Talk. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake. Emma, I've been thinking about something interesting. Shopping is more than buying things. It shows how a culture thinks, how it feels, and even how people live. If you want to understand a group of people, just watch how they shop. You can learn more in a market than you can in a history book.
I agree. In many countries, shopping is not only business, it can feel like a social event. Some places have street markets. A street market means an open area with shops outside, full of colors, voices, and life. You walk slowly, you look around, you hear music, and you smell food cooking. It feels alive and real.
But not every country shops this way. Some places prefer shopping malls. A shopping mall means a large indoor building with many stores, bright lights, and clean floors. It has air conditioning, it is organized, and it is not too noisy.
And sometimes people go shopping without planning to buy anything. That is called window shopping. Window shopping means walking and looking at products only for fun, just enjoying the items with your eyes, not with your wallet.
Yes, window shopping feels like dreaming. You imagine buying everything, and then suddenly you think of your bank account and the dream ends.
So, when we say shopping culture, we mean the behavior, habits, feelings, and traditions people have when they shop. Every country has its own style.
And today we will explore three countries with very different shopping cultures: Turkey, Malaysia, and the United States. Each country tells a story about people through the way they buy and sell.
Let's begin with Turkey, a place where shopping feels like a friendly conversation.
Turkey is a great place to start. When you walk into a traditional bazaar, you can feel life around you. A bazaar is an old-style market with many small shops close together and sellers standing outside their doors. The sound of voices fills the air, colors everywhere, and the smell of spices follows you as you move. It feels active, loud, and exciting.
And here, shopping is not quiet. People talk, laugh, and interact. The most important word in Turkish shopping is bargaining. Bargaining means discussing the price with the seller, trying to pay a lower amount. It is a friendly negotiation. You give a number, the seller gives another number, and you both try to meet in the middle.
Exactly. If the seller says 200 lira, you might answer with 150. Then the seller may offer 180. It becomes a little game, and everyone smiles. In Turkey, bargaining is not rude. It is part of the experience.
Sellers often offer tea while you talk. Tea is not only a drink in Turkey, it shows hospitality. Hospitality means making guests feel welcome and comfortable. You don't just buy something, you make a tiny connection with another person.
And the products are special. Handmade carpets, leather bags, colorful lamps, and strong-smelling spices. Handmade means created by a person, not by a machine. When you touch these items, they feel personal, like they have a story.
Shopping in Turkey is social. It is about people, not only money. You might stay in one shop for 30 minutes, talking, laughing, and learning. Even if you do not buy anything, you leave with a memory.
So this is Turkey. Loud, warm, and filled with conversation. Now I want to see something different. What is shopping like in Malaysia?
All right, now let's fly to Malaysia. Malaysia has a very different shopping feeling. When you walk through a Malaysian night market means a market that opens in the evening and runs late into the night. The atmosphere is calmer, softer, and more peaceful than the loud Turkish bazaar. People speak gently, move slowly, smile politely. You hear music, smell satay and noodles cooking, and see bright lights reflecting on colorful umbrellas.
And here's the interesting part. In many places in Malaysia, the price is fixed price, which means you don't usually bargain. The price on the tag is the price you pay. It's simple, organized, easy. You don't need to discuss or negotiate.
Yes, and shopping here is polite. If you touch something, you do it carefully. If you ask a question, you speak kindly. People respect each other's space. Shopping feels like walking through a garden. Calm, friendly, gentle.
And something beautiful about Malaysia is the culture of gift shopping. Gift shopping means buying something not for yourself, but for someone you care about, a friend, a parent, a coworker. It's not about price, it's about thought. Even a small keychain can mean love or respect.
Exactly. You don't need big money to make someone happy there. A simple tea set, a box of sweets, a hand-painted magnet. Small things carry big meaning. And many shops even wrap gifts beautifully with ribbons and bright paper. It shows care.
So, if Turkey is full of energy and bargaining, Malaysia is warm, calm, and thoughtful. A place where you take your time and enjoy every step.
Which brings us to a very different world. Shopping in the United States.
All right, now we land in the United States. And I want to say something first. Shopping in the US feels like a completely different world. It's fast, organized, and very direct.
Yes. The first thing you notice is structure. Stores are big, clean, bright, and everything is labeled. You know exactly where shoes are, where electronics are, even where snacks are. It's easy to find anything.
And the most interesting part? Customer service. Customer service means help and support from store employees. They smile, they greet you, and they ask, "How can I help you today?" It feels professional and friendly at the same time.
And here is something very American. Returns. Return means you buy something, try it, and if you don't like it, you can bring it back. No bargaining, no long discussion, just a receipt and a return desk.
And sometimes you don't even take your money back. You exchange it. Exchange means trading an item for a different size, color, or product. Shopping becomes flexible, comfortable, and low pressure.
Many stores also have membership cards. A membership card gives discounts, points, or special offers. Points are like rewards. When you collect enough, you can buy something cheaper or free. It encourages people to return to the same store again and again.
So, if Turkey is about conversation and energy, and Malaysia is about calm and thoughtfulness, the US is about efficiency and convenience. Shopping feels simple, organized, and stress-free.
It's fascinating how the way people shop reflects their culture, their habits, and even their personalities. Each country has its own story to tell through shopping. So, Jake, we've explored three very different shopping experiences. Turkey, with its lively bazaars and bargaining. Malaysia, with calm night markets and thoughtful gift giving. And the United States, with organized stores and friendly customer service. Each place shows a different way of thinking about shopping and culture.
Absolutely. Turkey teaches connection. You talk, laugh, and negotiate. Shopping becomes a conversation, not just buying.
Malaysia shows care. Even small gifts, gentle voices, and warm smiles make shopping meaningful. It's about thoughtfulness, not just price.
And the US shows efficiency and convenience. Clear prices, fast service, easy returns. Shopping becomes simple, comfortable, and stress-free.
3 styles, 3 lessons. And learning English is similar. You improve by practicing, talking, and experiencing, not by waiting for perfection.
Exactly. Every new word, every sentence you try is a step forward.
Don't wait for perfect English. Use it whenever you can. Practice with friends, strangers, or even with us. every conversation matters.
And we love to hear from you. Which shopping style do you like most? Turkey, Malaysia, or the United States?
Share your thoughts in the comments. Your answer is also your practice, a chance to think and write in English. Thanks so much for joining us today.
See you next time.